Pangasius is a genus of catfishes from the family Pangasidae. It lives in fresh water and thrives in the Mekong Basin of Vietnam. Here in the Philippines, it is not yet as popular as tilapia and bangus. However, Pangasius may well be the next generation fish in the country. Pioneer Animal and Aqua Feeds firm Vitarich Corporation is taking the lead in culturing the fish locally. Vitarich calls its variety the Golden Dory.
Ito ang Pangasius. Para siyang hito, para siyang pating ang ulo niya. Pero masarap siyang alagaan, kinhawa, madaling palakihin. Ito inalagaan namin buwat 6 na buwan. Inuhulihan na namin.
In the 1980s, the market was not ready for Pangasius. Fingerlings produced were passed on to the aquarium fish trade as freshwater hammerhead shark. Pangasius gained wide acceptance as a food fish in the 1990s, and due to strong demand, production shot up dramatically. At present, Pangasius is considered in its sector as one of the top 3 freshwater cultured food fish in the world. With a taste and texture comparable to the salmon, Pangasius is in high demand, not just in classy restaurants, but in fast food chains as well.
Itong Pangasius, madaling alagaan, madaling palakihin, mabilis ang kita. Ito ay inirekomenda ko sa aking mga kasamang nagpipispat.
A key issue in Pangasius aquaculture abroad is the use of bleach to have a wider effect on the product, which is why most imported stocks available in the market have flesh as white as snow. Not so with Vitarich's Golden Dory. It is guaranteed antibiotic-free and fresh, direct from the farm to the family dining table. It does not boast of an ultra-white flesh and doesn't have to resort to using chemicals because it takes pride in being golden white in color. Vitarich's Golden Dory is free from chemicals and other whitening agents. Vitarich has chosen to retain the fish's natural golden color like an exotic local beauty. Consistent with ensuring freshness of its products, from the farm to the market, onto the Filipino dining tables, Vitarich Dory Farms are close to its home. Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, and Pampanga. In the Mindanao region, Vitarich Farms are in Jensan and Davao. Regional satellite hatcheries and demo sites have been established, complemented by Pangasius Processing Plant. The promotion of value-added products such as sausages, franks, dory balls, and rolls added new flavor and twist, while at the same time, they also provide healthy alternatives to the high cholesterol products that abound the market. From the skin to the flesh, not a part is wasted.
Dito sa Fresh Options Meat Shop, siguridad namin ang quality, lalo-lalo na ang freshness ng aming produkto, katulad ng Golden Dory Fillet.
Mas mura nga ng konti yung imported, pero mas maganda naman yung quality ng ating produkto at mas fresh naman siya.
The fish that thrived in the waters of Vietnam has found its way here in the Philippines. Vita-Rich has made this possible. Its darling fish is now the darling of Filipinos who love to eat and live to eat.
For a very long time, the Filipino fish farmers or fish growers has always been limited into growing either tilapia or bangus. This time around, Vita-Rich Corporation is pioneering the culture of pangasius in the Philippines. Itong pangasius ay ilo-launch namin sa program namin ng Isdang Pangga na magbibigay ng panibagong source of income o pagkakakitaan sa ating mga Filipino fish growers. Ito po ang magiging pamana ng Vita-Rich or legacy ng Vita-Rich sa industriyang ito.